Hey everyone, there's one daily habit celebrated as healthy for decades that is now being linked to a faster decline in your 70s and beyond, and I need you to stop it today. What if the very activity you believe is protecting your joints is actually accelerating their wear and tear? I'm a physiotherapist with over 2 decades of clinical experience, and the data from thousands of patient histories reveals a painful truth. The global push for daily walking is creating a hidden epidemic of joint deterioration and muscle wasting in active seniors. For years, the message has been simple. Walk more, protect your heart, stay mobile, ensure longevity. But in practice, we're seeing a different story. Individuals faithfully logging their miles are showing up with pronounced weakness, persistent joint pain, and a fragility that walking alone simply cannot fix. You've been following advice that is, at best, incomplete. The fitness and wellness industry thrives on this single-focus narrative. But authentic, lasting health after 70 requires a more sophisticated approach. The reality. Only for specific types of movement backed by geriatric and musculoskeletal science are proven to rebuild strength. Safeguard your joints and extend your functional independence by years. These 4 targeted practices focused on power, stability, control, and integration are clinically shown to reverse sarcopenia, enhance circulation, and slash fall risk by nearly half. It's real. We'll unveil these 4 essential movements that outperform solitary walking and actively restore your musculoskeletal system. And the third one is so counterintuitive. Clinics in Scandinavia use it to reactivate dormant leg muscles in weeks, not months. All supporting research is linked below. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, where are you tuning in from, and what's your current movement routine? We read every single one. Now, let's start with number 4. A practice orthopedic experts recommend to prioritize upper body resilience, a zone walking completely neglects. Number 4. The inclined press. Most assume strength training is for the young. But the angled press against a wall is arguably one of the most vital yet overlooked exercises for mature adults. When the European Society of Geriatric Medicine analyzed functional capacity, they discovered that participants performing modified presses just 3 times a week boosted their practical upper body strength by over 30% in 2 months, compared to minimal gains in a walking-only group. The genius of this movement is its simultaneous engagement of multiple muscle groups: your chest, shoulders, arms, and critically, the core stabilizers that prevent collapses. Your torso and arm strength are directly tied to your capacity to break a fall, rise from a chair, or lift everyday objects without strain. Form is paramount. Stand at arm's length from a solid wall. Place your hands flat at shoulder height and width. As you progress, increase the challenge by stepping your feet further back. Data from rehabilitation journals indicates that maintaining torso strength past 65 reduces the risk of shoulder injuries by over 40%. Susan, a 72-year-old client, struggled with her heavy garden gait until she integrated daily inclined presses. Within a month, she operated it effortlessly. This practice also promotes bone density in the wrists and shoulders, areas highly susceptible to fractures. Your musculature requires this deliberate resistance because walking primarily trains your lower half, allowing your upper frame to weaken. The shift from pure cardio to targeted strength work can feel overwhelming, but our next practices build on this logically. If you're finding this valuable, please show your support with a like and subscribe for more insights that redefine age.